Along Oregon's captivating coastline, between Lincoln City and Neskowin on the central Oregon coast, lies Cascade Head, a place of rugged cliffs, wildflower meadows, and panoramic ocean views unlike anywhere else. Here, nature is your neighbor. Resident elk herds, bald eagles, and countless other wildlife thrive in this protected landscape, setting the stage for a truly extraordinary way of life. From your doorstep, explore miles of trails leading through forests and meadows to dramatic overlooks within the Cascade Head Scenic Research Area, a place so special it draws visitors from around the world. Within this setting is Cascade Head Ranch, a private community thoughtfully designed to preserve the natural beauty of its 150 acres. Residents here enjoy fantastic amenities, including a clubhouse with panoramic views, private gathering spaces, and a swimming pool to relax and unwind. The ranch also provides a private boat launch on the Salmon River, ideal for fishing, crabbing, kayaking, or simply enjoying the quiet waters of the stunning coastal estuary. It's also home to the popular Sitka Center for Art and Ecology, where art and nature come together through workshops and community events. The peaceful grounds are perfect for reflection, inspiration, and connecting to the tranquil surroundings. Homes here are rarely available, making ownership in Cascade Head Ranch a unique opportunity to live within one of the Oregon coast's most treasured landscapes. Discover life at Cascade Head Ranch, where nature, community, and home come together. For more information on this unique destination, please contact Pam Zielinski with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services.